Now we're gonna use our sugar syrup. I'm gonna spread him just like that, nice and easy. In one of my earlier videos, I showed you how to make sugar syrup. If you haven't got a chance to watch it, then I would like to ask you to watch it on my baklava series, where I showed you how to bake Turkish baklava. So on that series, I showed you in detail on the way I prepare my sugar syrup for baklava. It's the same sugar syrup you can use for basbousa as well. And I'm gonna clean things up just a little bit. And there we have our Turkish basbousa. Smells really awesome. I can't wait to eat, but I'm gonna have to wait to eat it because it's kind of too hot right now. So well, that's how you bake a Turkish dessert item, very famous not only in Turkey but across Central Asia and in the Middle East, as well as in my country, Bangladesh. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do take care of yourself until I release another video. Bye bye.